Hello folks, I just harvested some rhubarb. Why don't you sit a spell with me and see what I'm going to make with it. Fresh hand pies. Oh my land, fresh rhubarb and peaches. I will leave the ingredients list in the description box below this video for your convenience. Oh, this is such a simple and easy dessert to make. And it's so delicious, you must just give it a try. You can use blueberries, strawberries, apples, peaches, pears, whatever you choose for your fruit filling. Anything can go into this. The dough is very easily made, and I put it together in my small processor, since it only used 1 cup of flour, which makes 4 hand pies. I decided to chill the dough overnight before using, and I chilled my filling as well. At first I debated whether to bake, to fry, to air fry, so in the final end I decided to fry. And oh, I was so happy I did. Just look at these hand pies. Peach and rhubarb, fresh out of my garden, and the peaches, well, as you saw in the beginning, were canned. But oh my land, this was just so simple and easy. Please give it a try. Doesn't that just look delicious?